What's up guys, this is Unknown from Greedy Tech, and in this video, we're going to do an unboxing and review of SoundOne's detachable Bluetooth 2-in-1 DC111 earphones. Now this one is available at 990 rupees and you can buy it on official website or Amazon. Now on the official website, they have free express shipping, ships in 24 hours, 1 year manufacturing warranty and cash on delivery available. Coming to the highlights of this, it has two-ways connection, wired and Bluetooth. It is 2-in-1 detachable earphones. It is removable earphones, it has DC connector, so it can be interchanged with any DC connector cables. This one comes with Bluetooth 5.0 and has 8 hours of playback. Now this has rich deep bass sound, 10mm neodymium magnetic drivers, and with dual pairing mode, multitasking is made easy. With A2DP, you can pair it with your phone and laptop simultaneously. Now without further ado, let's get to the unboxing. Here's the box. It has preview of the earphones. It says SoundOne, bring music to life, wire free. And it says towards the bottom, detachable Bluetooth earphones DC111, HD sound, Bluetooth 5.0 and aux input. There's branding on the sides and on the back, there is some specs and some more information. Now let's unbox this. Once we cut this cover, we can open it from the side like this. First we have the case, next we have the documentation. Now let's come back to the case. Inside we have earphones and accessories like extra ear tips, charging cable and 3.5mm cable for wired mode. Now these are the earphones. Let's have physical overview. These earphones have branding on top. On the bottom they have pins to plug the cables. On the sides they have unique design and it looks cool. On the front it has ear tips and LNR marking on each earphone. On the back it has grill-like design, which looks like double exhaust of a bike. That looks pretty cool. Now the backside of the earphones is magnetic, so these earphones stick together. And there is the carry case, and it has branding on top and a zip on the side. Now let's look at the specs. This comes with aluminium cooled cable, it has Bluetooth 5.0, it has 90 mAh battery and offers talk time up to 9 hours and a standby time of 150 hours. Its driver size is 10mm, this comes with metal shell, it is compatible with 3.5mm jack and DC connections. Now for the wired module, this comes with 3.5mm cable and that's pretty long. This also comes with carrying case, charging cable and a manual. Now they offer 1 year warranty and it has IPX5 sweat and water resistance. This also has extra bass and these are magnetic earphones. And this weighs 173 grams. Now as this comes with detachable cable, we can interchange between Bluetooth module and wired module. Now this is how the Bluetooth module looks like. It is a small neckband like cable. On the left side there is 3 buttons for controls, plus minus volume buttons and a multifunction button in the middle. And there is micro USB port on the side for charging. On the right there is just branding. And this cable is very soft and it is in gold color. On the cable ends, there's LNR markings. Now this is the 3.5mm cable. It is a long cable and the cable is very soft. Same material like the Bluetooth cable. There is branding on the 3.5mm jack as well. There is one button and mic on this. On the cable ends, there's LNR markings. Now let me plug in the cable for Bluetooth. There's LNR markings on the ends of the cable. Just put it in the right earphone side and that's it. As for the pairing process, now long press the power button, that's multifunction button, and this Bluetooth will turn on. Now search it on your phone, it will show up as SoundOne DC111. Just tap on it and that's it, it's paired. As for the wired module, you just plug it into the phone, as you already know. As for functionality, Bluetooth module has plus minus buttons for volume up and down, and multifunction button which you can single press to play and pause, double press to call last number, and you can long press on volume down button to go to the next track, long press on volume up button to go to the previous track. In the wired module, you can press button once to play or pause and press twice to play next track. As for review, let's look at design and build. It has pretty good build quality and the design looks nice. It is light in weight and in ear, it feels very light. This also comes with a carry case. In this you can carry your earphones and all your accessories. So you can use it to store both modules, Bluetooth and the 3.5mm cable. So you can switch whenever you need to while on the go. And this case looks pretty cool. Coming to audio quality is great. There is no distortion even at high volumes. Bass is decent. Overall, it feels good. And it has similar experience for both Bluetooth and wired, which is great. Coming to calls, call quality is also nice. There is no disturbance or any issue in connectivity. And it has similar experience for both Bluetooth and wired, which is again great. As for fit in ear, it doesn't fall even when you shake your head, and have tried with both modules and the fit was pretty good. That's been the unboxing and review of SoundOne's detachable Bluetooth 2-in-1 DC111 earphones. Overall, it is pretty good. And because it is detachable, It gives an option to listen to your music or audio non-stop. Even when the Bluetooth battery is down, you can switch to wired and continue with your work. And that's pretty great, especially at this price. What do you think about this? Let us know in the comments below. And will you buy it? Let us know that too. This is Unknown from Greedy Tech. Meet you in the next one.